Projection of points. In this question, point D is given 30 mm above HP and is in first quadrant. So we have to start with projector line and then we have to mark front view on that projector line as D dash. So let us start with the solution of this question. So first of all, we already drawn XY line as shown here. Now we have to draw projector line. So here we have drawn projector line for point D. So on this projector line, as we have provided with 30 mm above HP. So as the question is in first quadrant, so we know very well. So above XY line is vertical plane, below XY horizontal plane. So we have to mark 30 mm above HP. So means we have to mark 30 mm on this side. And we mark as a D dash for front view. So now shortest distance of this point from the XY is given to us, that's 40 mm. To draw this 40 mm, we have to draw profile plane. So for that sake, we will draw axis, that is OZ, which is perpendicular to both plane, that is horizontal as well as vertical plane. So we will draw here Z axis. So now we have to mark shorter distance over here in the profile plane. So this side is profile plane. So because the height of the projection in this profile plane is also equal to the height of this elevation from the XY. For that sake, we will draw horizontal line through this point. Like this. Cut a distance of 40 mm from the XY as given in the question. So this is the point that is observed in the side view. Now we will project perpendicular to the XY from here. And now we have to transfer this distance on this perpendicular, that is axis, so that we can find out the top view in the horizontal plane. After getting this projection, use roller scale. From here we will move it downward and will draw a horizontal line through this arc like this. So this point, intersection of this point is marked as point D. So this is the top view of the object. So after this we will dimension this, as this distance is given as 40 mm. This one 40 mm, so we will mark here this distance is given, distance is 40 mm, and because we will mark it as at some distance so that we can draw extension line. So draw extension line like this, and then dimension line to mark a distance of this point from the XY line. So this is given as 30 m. So here this is the top view of the object, point D, D dash as the front view of the object, that is point, and here side view is D double dash. So this is the solution of this problem.